So we are going to plant now the Palo Verde in our backyard. First, planting a tree, you need to look at the telephone lines, the water lines, the electricity, or gas line. So you need to know where is it running in your backyard so you will not hit them. So when we built our desert bloom observatory, we let the people to give us the hint where is the water line, where is the electricity line. So this is the line that they made rather. Look at that, they put red going to our house, that one, and going to our house there until there. So we knew that that's the line for our water and electricity and gas. So because we feel the need to plant trees because we were building the desert bloom observatory, and you cannot control the neighbor's light, and you're gonna tell them because it's their choice to leave the light outside, and it's not really doing good to the night sky. And they don't know also that they cannot see the beauty of the night with all the lights, artificial lights that they put outside in their houses. So that area there is really lighting like a park. So if you can see, there are a lot of cars, and they lighted that area kind of a park at night. So to solve that problem, you need to plant trees as barrier. So when you look at the because this is the southwest area of our night sky, and most of the objects of the night sky can be seen in the southwest and south of the night sky, and almost all the subjects are there. So you need really to solve the problem, because this is mostly of my telescope facing that way, so this way rather. So solve the problem, plant trees, and surround your backyard with all the trees and grass or what, plants, flowers, so you can strain all those light pollution really. And you need not to quarrel with your neighbor. So this is it. I dig a hole. If you're going to look at, I dig a hole there, and I will see if it's enough already for my Palo Verde. Palo Verde is a tree that remains very green even in the winter, and it blooms also yellow flowers. It's it smells so good, and really good for the environment also. So those who have a problem with sinusitis, may be not good for them, because when it blooms, really smells so good. So the Sonoran Desert will become more alive, and more smells good when the Palo Verde is blooming. So much to that. I need to measure my plants here. So you are going to look at it's really already okay. So I think more addition to the holes, so it will be just has the room for the trees really, and soil that comes from the trees. We bought this one, and Palo Verde, $60 a piece. Very expensive, but it's already good. So already how many feet? Kind of 3 feet or 5 feet. It's really doing fine already. So what I will do to soften or make the soil comes with the tree, need to do like this. This is plastic, so need to do like that, so it's loosening up the tree. You don't hurt the roots, and then just put like this, and then we need to this is really easy. Do like this, and okay, see, if you can see it, it's well done. So let's this is how I do it. So all this fertilized soil will be put to the side, like that, and I'm not wearing gloves, it's easy to do things without gloves. I'll just wash my hand later. So, and you need not to throw your this one, because I grow another tree in from our fairy duster tree, and it's already growing. I started it last October, so I'll transfer it here and let it grow until such time I will transfer it in this side. So this is it. You need to cover the tree and cover it. All this. I love flowering trees, really makes your hair beautiful. And we will control the growth of this one, not just letting it grow wild, but you can control and make it more nice. So this is it. So here's another tree. Here's another tree that we can plant again. So I'm planting March 16, 17, 2025. And I will follow up the update later of the year as the year go by. I will show how it grows. And when it flower, really, I will show also the flower. So this is it. There's another tree. So dig another hole here. Add more space to the hole, and this, and then like that. We bought 3 trees the other day. After the blood moon, we passed by in a store and have this. So this is what you're going to do with this plastic, so you will not hurt the tree. Go like this, but you need to wash your hands after doing this, because you know the store using chemicals to grow this trees. Already we bought it in the Mesquite Valley nursery and growers in Tucson. And then this is kind of native plant here in Arizona. So we have this, and then look, ding ding ding, ding ding ding, and then you need to plant like that. Don't let the tree hurts. So like this, throw it there and there and there and there. So do like this. Cover it. Cover this soil that you dug from that area. Like this. This will help the cooling of our environment, because we live in Sonoran Desert, but this desert is tropical desert, so it rains here and there are lots of plants that's growing. And in the summer or last week of spring, you can see a lot of cacti blooming flowers. It's very beautiful. So that's it. It's for the day. And water the plants. So the water can help the flower to establish roots, although it's already growing, but you'll never know. So thank you for watching. This is Desert Bloom Observatory.